Hello and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to make some produce video with uh, AI, and we take this prompt, so and you go and you do that, and then you take Amazon link or Amazon and make it shorter like so. Then you take all this and we go to Bing, and you can more creative, more balanced, more precise, or oh, you want fast, I choose creative more, and I choose so. Then I so we got it, and we copy all. Go here. So then we go to clip app. You can download, make your account, and make it free. So then I import. No, we text to speech. Nej, record and create. Text to speech here, and then we choose um, girl. You can choose also. So we choose this, and I hope we can do it. Did it do something? Yes. Anyway, then you can change this to that, and then you have to do some AI, and I have some AI. Come on. Come on. No. So now we can do it without media, and we upload this, that, and here. So then we take it down, and so rotate. So and we have in here, we take this girl like so. then we take it all on one here. So then we take all this here, and then you choose a stock image. We have to want in this here and make a video about here. I have this, but you can animate it if you want. So that is that. So I hope you enjoy this video, and for more question about this, if you have none, you can leave in the comment, so I'm happy to help you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I review fitness products and share tips on how to stay fit and healthy. Today, I'm going to review the FireDone adjustable dumbbells with connector and kettlebells 1, a 4-in-1 set that can be used as dumbbells, barbell, kettlebells, and push-up stand. I'll talk about the product info, the pros and cons, and my personal experience with it. Let's get started. Product info. The FireDone adjustable dumbbells with connector and kettlebells is a versatile and customizable set that allows you to adjust the weight from 5 to 30 pounds per dumbbell, or up to 60 pounds for the barbell. The set comes with 12 weight plates, 4 nuts, 2 dumbbell rods, 1 barbell rod, 1 kettlebell rod, and 1 push-up stand. The weight plates are made of plastic-coated iron, which prevents rust and reduces noise. The rods are made of solid steel, which ensures durability and stability. The nuts are easy to screw on and off, and have rubber pads to prevent loosening. The kettlebell rod has a foam handle for comfort and grip. The push-up stand has a non-slip base and can be used for various exercises. Pros and cons. The main advantages of this set are: it's very versatile. You can switch between different modes and exercises easily, and target different muscle groups. You can use it for strength training, cardio, HIIT, and more. It's very space-saving. You don't need to buy multiple sets of dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells. You can store everything in a small space, and take it with you anywhere. It's very affordable. Compared to other adjustable dumbbells or kettlebells, this set is much cheaper and offers more value. You get 4 products in one, and you can adjust the weight according to your needs. The main disadvantages of this set are: it's not very convenient. You have to screw and unscrew the nuts every time you want to change the weight, which can be time-consuming and annoying. You also have to be careful not to lose any parts, especially the kettlebell rod, which is only one. It's not very durable. Some users have reported that the plastic coating can crack or peel off, and that the nuts can wear out or break. The rods can also bend or dent if you drop them or use them too roughly. It's not very comfortable. The dumbbell rods are too short and thin for some users, and the barbell rod is too long and heavy for others. The weight plates can also dig into your hands or arms, and the kettlebell rod can be slippery or hard to hold. Personal experience. I've been using this set for about 2 months, and I have to say that I'm pretty satisfied with it. I mainly use it for dumbbell and kettlebell exercises, and I find it very effective and challenging. I like that I can adjust the weight depending on the exercise and my level, and that I can do a lot of different workouts with it. I also like that it doesn't take up much space in my apartment, and that it's easy to move around. However, I do have some issues with it. First of all, I don't like that I have to screw and unscrew the nuts every time I want to change the weight. It's very tedious, and sometimes I just give up and stick to one weight. Second, I don't like that the kettlebell rod is only one, and that it's not very comfortable to hold. I wish they included 2 rods, or at least made the handle more ergonomic. Third, I don't like that the weight plates are plastic coated. They look cheap and they make a lot of noise when they clank together. I'm also worried that they might break or chip over time. Conclusion. Overall, I think the FireDone adjustable dumbbells with connector and kettlebells is a good product for beginners or intermediate users who want a versatile and affordable set of weights. It's not perfect, and it has some flaws, but it does the job and it offers a lot of options. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to work out at home, you might want to give this set a try. That's it for today's review. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness product reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this set, or if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.